Rolex Submariner. Few watches have shaped modern watch culture more than the Rolex Submariner. Introduced in 1953, it was designed as a professional dive watch during a period when underwater exploration was rapidly becoming popular. Early models were water-resistant to 100 meters, something that sounded almost impossible at the time. The Submariner became associated with adventure almost immediately. Divers wore it, military units used it, and then Hollywood transformed it into something even larger when Sean Connery wore one as James Bond in the early films. What makes the Submariner important is not just its popularity, it created the blueprint for the modern dive watch. Rotating bezel, large luminous markers, highly legible dial, strong steel construction. Almost every dive watch that came afterward borrowed something from it. Over time, it evolved from a professional tool into one of the most recognizable luxury products on Earth. Most luxury sports watches today exist because of this watch. Released in 1976, the Patek Philippe Nautilus arrived during a crisis for Swiss watchmaking. Cheap quartz watches from Asia were destroying the traditional mechanical industry. Instead of competing on affordability, Patek Philippe went in the opposite direction. They created a luxury steel sports watch with finishing normally reserved for precious metals and priced it shockingly high. The designer was Gerald Genta, one of the most influential watch designers ever. He reportedly sketched the Nautilus in a restaurant within minutes, inspired by the shape of a ship's porthole. At first, people were confused by it. A luxury watch made from steel seemed absurd. Today, it is one of the most desired watches in the world. The horizontal embossed dial, integrated bracelet, and slim profile help define an entirely new category of luxury watchmaking.